Hi mommies! Here are 4 tips for us to take care of our hair. Marami sa atin nag-struggle with postpartum hair loss. How can we take care nga ba of our hair? Number 1, do not tie your hair too tight. So we always do that every time we are so busy, diba? Guilty ako dyan kasi talagang pinupull ng maigi. And what happens pala when we do that is napupull yung hair natin dun sa hair follicle, lulusan yung hair at madaling ma-break. It also reduces the blood flow on our scalp which affects yung hair growth. Number 2, eat foods rich in protein and vitamins. Ano ba yung mga example nito? Like egg, poultry, cheese, yogurt, ganyan. Eating a lot of protein pala no, is very important for hair growth kasi yung ating hair follicle are mostly made of proteins. There's a lack of protein in our diet, so nagkakaroon din ng hair loss. Number 3, avoid stress because it can lead into hair loss. Kasi yung grabing stress, no, it can push our hair follicles into a resting phase. Kaya nagkakaroon din ng maraming hair fall. Lalo na kung nagsusuklay tayo or after nating maligo. Number 4 is, of course, we use the right products that can strengthen your hair and reduce hair loss. And of course, yung dapat safe din sa breastfeeding moms. And ayun, share ko sa inyo tong latest na na-discover ko. So I've been using this for almost 2 weeks now at grabe nakakatuwa. So this one is the Mama's Choice Hair Care Series. So meron kasi silang tatlo in that set. First is the treatment shampoo. Nakakatulong para talagang malinisan yung hair and then yung scalp, ganyan. Actually, sobrang bango nito. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ha. Ayan. Sobrang bango nito. And sobrang makikita mo talaga yung quality. Superb talaga yung quality, no? Next is of course the conditioner. Sobrang bango din nito, no? Talagang nape-prevent niya din yung hair tangles. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. See? Sobrang bango. Sobrang enjoy ko siyang gamitin. Next is of course itong strengthening hair care serum. So kung may serum yung face, meron din for hair. What I do is, kukuha ka lang dito, no? And after maligo, you put it in your scalp, apply it in your scalp. Ayan, and massage. Ayan, massage to stimulate yung hair growth and to promote na healthy scalp. Ayan, so ganyan lang siya lagi. Ayan, and massage it. Ayan, so just massage it here. Ano si Mamis for more than 1 week na ginagamit ko talaga. Nakita ko talaga na mas kumonte na yung hair fall ko. So it's really, really effective. So ginamit ko muna siya ng ilang days syempre bago ko i-share din sa inyo kasi sobrang ganda. So massage lang siya. Kasi ang nakakatuwa dito, nagpe-penetrate na talaga siya dun sa scalp. So talagang hanggang root. Ayan, yun lang mommies! Try nyo na din mommies tong amazing hair products from Mama's Choice. And of course, don't forget to follow the 4 tips!